The Quick Capture A to D is a direct-to-disc hard drive video recorder. It's portable, durable, lightweight, and its streamlined user interface makes it easy for any videographer or camera person to learn very quickly. You'll find the Quick Capture A to D's extensive features will not get in the way of you getting right to work. The Quick Capture A to D functions as a deck, a media converter, and a hard drive all in one. You can wear it on your belt, you can wear it on your shoulder, or you can mount it directly to your camera using an Anton Bauer mount or V-Lock mounting system. What sets the Quick Capture A to D apart from other portable hard drive video recorders is that it has analog in and out as well as digital. This really opens up the possibilities for recording, for monitoring, for playback viewing, or the output of your footage. You can use the Quick Capture A to D on virtually any monitor. Plus, all the outputs stay live. So if your input is digital, you can go out analog. If your input is analog, you can go out both analog and digital at the same time. But whether you come in digital or analog, you shoot edit-ready files straight onto a hard drive so that all you have to do to start editing is drag and drop your files to your computer's local hard drive and get to work. In addition to controlling the Quick Capture A to D with the analog and digital connections, the Quick Capture A to D also has a GPI port that is RS-232 compatible. That means that you can control the Quick Capture A to D with any standard RS-232 protocol through a serial port connection. Also, it includes all the playback features, slow and fast forward, reverse, loop play, frame by frame, and search by mark. Plus, you can play to or play from a specific frame using that RS-232 command set. These features make the Quick Capture A to D not just a great recorder, but also a great audiovisual display tool. The breakout cable has composite, S-video, unbalanced left and right audio, and timecode in. It's also color-coded, so it's easy to read what is in and what's out. And they can be modified with this cable to enable a camera's trigger through a 26-pin connection. So once your Quick Capture A to D is powered up in VTR mode and you're connected to your camera, you'll see that you have 99 bins to shoot from. This means that you can organize while you shoot. You can select different bins for different scenes. It's a real advantage to those of you who want to start doing some pre-edits before you even get to your studio. You can choose to sync the Quick Capture A to D to your record trigger on your camera, so that every time you start and stop your camera, the Quick Capture A to D will start and stop as well. Now that new clip will become a file, so every time your camera has stopped and started, you virtually created a new and separate file, so that when you go to edit, everything is already organized for you. Now, if you'd like to create a clip without pausing, you can also do that by simply pressing mark. This means that there's an advantage in that you can actually mark your footage as you're recording. If you'd like, you could also choose not to sync to your camera trigger. This means that, let's say you have a shoot that you know you're going to run out of tape. You can now change your tape and keep on recording. The Quick Capture A to D will record despite your camera's recording function and despite what the tape is doing. Or, of course, if you really like, you can go completely tapeless. So once you're done shooting, you can do one of two things. You can instantly play back your video. This means that if you wanted to check your shot, for example, you don't have to touch your camera. You can grab your Quick Capture A to D off the camera and plug it into any monitor in the field, and you'll be able to review all the shots that you've just done. The Quick Capture can stop recording, it can play back, and it will start recording again from where you left off. In other words, no rewinding and no fast forwarding. The playback features are very helpful. When you initially press play, you'll see the first set of playback features, which is fast forward and fast reverse up to 32x. Now by pressing the menu key, you'll find the second set, which is slow motion in forward and reverse, up to 1/32x. Now when you're in pause, you'll see that the Quick Capture A to D can do frame by frame in forward and reverse. But my favorite feature is that in pause mode, when you press the menu key, you'll find that the Quick Capture A to D can search by mark. This means you'll see a nice, clean, glitch-free first frame of every clip within your bin. How many times has a client asked to see the last take before they close the set? Now you don't have to fast forward, you don't have to rewind, you don't even have to cue up a tape. You can simply stop recording and press play and get straight to your playback viewing. Now, if you don't want to play back and rather you'd like to get straight to editing, simply press the menu key and you'll make media files. The process takes a few minutes, and in a few minutes your video footage is ready to be edited on your computer. At this point, you're ready to go. You power it off from there and you turn it on in hard disk drive mode. At this point, the Quick Capture A to D is an external hard drive. It plugs into your computer. It acts as an external hard drive by automatically mounting to any computer. At this point, you can double-click to watch your video, or you can drag and drop to a hard drive. Now you can drag and drop your files to your local hard drive or to another external hard drive, however you see fit. For your protection, they'll copy over as locked. Simply unlock all the files at once and you're ready to edit. You can rename the files as you see fit. You can organize them into different storage devices. You can virtually do whatever you'd like with those files once they're copied over. By recording straight to a hard drive, you've already captured all of your footage, so you have reduced your post-production time by hours. The Quick Capture A to D is available in 40 gigs, 60 gig, 80 gig, and now 100 gigabytes. That means you can record anywhere from 3 to 7.5 hours at a time. And with a battery that lasts up to 7 hours, you aren't restricted by the power supply. Now, every Quick Capture A to D comes as a complete system. It's packaged with a bag, a battery, an analog breakout cable. It also has AC power supply that can both charge your battery or power your unit.